Time is filled with moments, and today we're going to create a special moment. We are going to create something with our hands. What are we going to create? After the jingle. Today we're gonna do a sauna. What do you need? Stones, wood, tools, fire. Fire!
Bro! Hello!
Stones, where can you get them? Here. That's the place. Here's nothing, and afterwards there's gonna be a sauna. And the cold water right here. Ta-da! And the mountain right there. So ladies and gentlemen, in the meantime we've been here like 4 or 5 or 6 hours. Never ever do a sauna with smoke. Never, ever. Really dangerous.
So, Bastu.
Hallo Bastu. Ice here, huh?
We are in our sauna, and it is really, it's not that bad actually. We know what we should do better, but it really is good.
Magnifique.
The conclusion of this creating a sauna is actually that we created a moment. I mean, we were together. I mean, it didn't work that well, but we know what we have to do better. But we had a moment together. There were some friends, we made a fire, we created something with our own hands, and it was a moment, a really good moment.